Hello friends, first question is e-Shram portal recently seen in the news was launched by which ministry? Your options are Ministry of Home Affairs, B Ministry of Labor and Employment, C Ministry of Rural Development, D Ministry of Finance. Correct options is B Ministry of Labor and Employment. Next question is Nitish Kumar won gold medal in which event at the 2024 Paris Para Olympics? Your options are badminton, B wrestling, C boxing, D tennis. Right answer is A badminton. Next question is exercise Varuna recently seen in the news is the bilateral naval exercise between India and which country? Your options are A Russia, B Australia, C Sri Lanka, D France. Right answer is D France. Next question is Durand Cup recently seen in the news is associated with which sports? Your options are A basketball, B football, C hockey, D cricket. Correct answer is B football. Next question is which organization recently launched Vulture Count 2024 initiative? Your options are United Nations Environment Program, B Global Footprint Network, C Worldwide Fund for Nature India, D Greenpeace. Correct answer is C Worldwide Fund for Nature India. Next question is on September 3, 2024, which bill introduced in the West Bengal Assembly by the Mamata Banerjee government? Your options are A. The Women's Protection Bill 2024, B. The Aparajita Women and Child Bill 2024, C. The West Bengal Anti-Rape and Safety 2024, D. The Child, Women and Safety Act 2024. Correct option is B. The Aparajita Women and Child Bill 2024. Thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you so much.